Hello guys, so today I'm going to rank all of the Doors monsters. So we're going to start off. Wait, no. Before I rank, here are all of the rankings. Awesome sauce plus 100, epic, good, okay, bad, annoying, too rare to even care, and no opinion. So we're going to start off with Rush.
Oi.
I'm gonna put him at epic. Ambush. Ambush is just like a Timu Rush, but he's like way cooler, so I'm just going to put him at good. Screech. It's a fun mini game. It's like a fun, fast mini game, so I'm gonna put him at okay. Seek. Awesome sauce plus 100. Jack. Too rare to even care. Timothy. Obviously awesome sauce 100 plus 100. Guiding light. Awesome sauce plus 100. Holt. Okay. He's good. Glitch is going in no opinion. Hyde is going is going in no opinion. And Void is also. Dread is also going in. Eyes is just an okay monster. Figure. He's not good enough to go in awesome sauce plus 100, so I'm just gonna put him at epic. Jeff, awesome sauce plus 100. El Goblino, awesome sauce plus 100. Awesome sauce plus 100. Something just fell down. Bob, awesome sauce plus 100. Snare. I mean, the regular game, like in the hotel, at the end of the game, it's like dark and you can't see him. Like, there are other monsters that you need to be worrying about, and you can't just look on the floor. So I'm gonna put him at bad. And I'm gonna put Window in too rare to even care, and so would Shadow, and with Shadow. Dupe, no opinion. No. Annoying monsters. I'm not going to count. Gloombats. Like, they make the game more harder, so I'm just gonna put them at okay. Now Grumble. Not Giggle, Grumble. Grumble. Grumble's good. Now Giggle. I'm gonna put him with Snare because he has the same thing, because he does the same thing as Snare. Now Curious Light. I'm gonna put him down at Epic because he or she is like really sassy and doesn't help that much. Okay, now with the A's. Okay, I know he's just like Rush. I don't know. Annoying. What the flip? Okay, I'm just going to put him at good. Now with the hunt monsters. Okay, so Blitz, Pink Blitz is also gonna be there because he's the same as Rush. Now Haste. Sometimes I do really hate Haste. He's not. He's gonna be on bad. Lookman is going to be with eyes. Vacuum, no opinion. This is my whole ranking. Yeah. Is this the perfect ranking or the worst ranking ever? Look. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to look through it. Seek Timothy Guiding Light. Seek Seek Timothy Guiding Light. Jeff El Goblino Bob in Awesome Sauce plus 100 tier. Rush Figure Curious Light A60. Blitz Pink Blitz Epic Good. Ambush Grumble and A something. I forgot their names. Okay. And in the OK tier, we have Screech, Holt, Gloombats, Eyes, and then what is that? The Lookman. And in the bad tier, we have Snare, Haste, and Giggle. And in the annoying monsters, we have Dupe and A something. And in the too rare to even care tier, we have Jack, Window, Shadow. That's all. And in no opinion, I have Vacuum, Dread, Void, Glitch, and Hide. Is this the perfect ranking?